Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for all of your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today, just quickly want to go through and detail the first options trade I made on the Robinhood platform. A very interesting way in which to trade the stock market. Much more sophisticated way, much more sophisticated than simply buying and selling an individual stock, an individual security. There are a number of different ways in which to trade options. Quite complex. As you guys know, I'm in the midst of doing a 4-part series detailing all of the different ways in which you can trade options. You can buy and sell puts and calls. You can exercise options. So quite complex, quite sophisticated way of trading. And I hope to get through all of those videos in the next few weeks or so. The next video I'm going to talk about will come out next week, talking about how to buy a put and what that means for options trading. Overall, as you can see in the portfolio today, very good trading. 1.96% in the green during regular hours trading, $2,800 in the green. Did trend down a bit in after hours trading, as you can see there, down 0.16% in the red. And over the past 1 week of trading, you can really see the volatility in the markets. I definitely think this will continue over the next several months. I definitely think there are a lot of potential geopolitical situations developing, notably the US-China trade war that seems to be escalating over the last week or so. I think that's definitely going to throw the markets into a frenzy. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility and a lot of pinpoint moves with regards to new news coming out regarding that situation. I do believe there are quite a few sectors that are overvalued, including technology, the FANG stocks. I definitely think there is quite a bit of room for those to drop. So I'm going to cautiously be putting new money into the markets. I'm going to really try to utilize the money I already have in swing trades to kind of play around with some trades. We'll definitely try to keep a lot of my capital on the sidelines to jump in to the market if there is a big correction, to add to positions that I already have on discount, as well as adding to new positions that I've had on my watch list, my short list for quite some time. I'll be doing a video about that the next couple of weeks as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at how options now display on the Robinhood platform. If we scroll down here, you can see the cryptocurrency tab. Now, right under that, you'll see that there is a new options tab here. If you click on that, you can see all of the trades I've made. Just went ahead and did one trade so far, kind of playing around with the options trading platform on Robinhood here. You can see here that I have a position. It's actually -1. I actually went ahead and sold a put. I'll be talking about exactly what that means in an upcoming video. Under that, you can see stats page as well as the Greeks. There are a number of different ways in which to kind of follow along an options trade. The Greeks are some theoretical numbers based on mathematical models trying to help an investor decide which way the options trade will go. Really about trying to predict when to jump out of a particular trade, also to jump into a particular trade as well. Take a look at my position. As I said, I went ahead and sold off a put. And what that means is, for example, let's go to trading here. We'll go ahead and sell off a put just to kind of show you exactly what this is going to do. If I went ahead and did another sell off here, you can see here that I'm essentially agreeing to buy 100 shares of Ford. Again, each options contract is for 100 shares at $9.87 per share before or on September 21st. And really, I'm obligated to do this. It's unlike the other video I put out with regards to buying a call. I am basically obligated to buy the stock at this particular price. Because of that, I'm credited $34 because somebody has essentially bought this contract from me. You can go ahead and sell off the contract at any point. So it's kind of in reverse of that prior video. You can see currently the market value is -$34, as well that I have a credit of $43, 43 cents per share. Again, each contract is 100 shares. So if I went ahead and bought a contract at 34, I essentially would make $9 overall, the $43 credit, the $34 buy. The contract would then go to zero, would have now outstanding obligations, and make $9 on the trade. It's a little bit different than buying a call, and again, a much more sophisticated way of trading the stock market. So I just wanted to quickly jump into the portfolio here, kind of show you guys how this looks. You can also see the history here. Again, just kind of playing around with some different contracts here. Didn't want to put a lot of money into the market with regards to the options trades. Really want to experiment, really get a good feeling of how this is going to work on the Robinhood platform. Seems to be working very, very well. And the more that I have kind of went in investigated the different ways in which to trade options. It makes much more sense. And again, for you guys, I'm definitely going to put out some more videos going through all of the different ways in which you can trade options. So just wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on the platform, the options platform, detailing you guys on the portfolio, as well as going through my first options trade with the Robinhood account here. I think it's going to work very, very well. But again, I definitely would not be putting a lot of money into options until you understand that very, very well. There are definitely different consequences into getting into some of these different trades. The way I did my options trade yesterday, selling off a put, I'm definitely obligated to buy that contract. If you go ahead and buy a call like I detailed on my prior video, you're not obligated to do that. It's your discretion, but when you sell off a contract, you're obligated to fulfill that contract unless you go ahead and sell it off or buy back that contract at a lower price, hopefully making a good swing trade on the overall transaction. But again, don't want to go too much into that because it gets quite complex. Don't want to confuse anyone on this video. Just wanted to detail you guys on the first options trade on the platform. So let me know if you guys have also dived into options trading. What stocks are you guys looking at? What types of trades are you guys going to make as well? Again, there's a number of different ways in which to trade these options. You can buy and sell calls and puts, and then at a later point, you can exercise options as well. Exercise the contracts. So let me know if you guys are actively diving into options trading, or you're kind of like me, experimenting with some very small trades to really understand exactly how this all works. So either way, let me know. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any questions on this video, other videos, please let me know in the comment threads down below. If you guys do enjoy the series, the video content on the channel, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.